Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are back with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Here we go. We got a nice size box. Check out, see what's inside. And this is coming from Echo. Not sure exactly. We'll check it out. And of course, you guys can take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this shipped out to you in no time. And in case there's any discount codes, it'll be down below. If not, check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. And add this to your Amazon wish list. Let's see what it is. It's getting close to that time of year. Santa Claus is coming. This is cordless. Okay, cordless air compressor, tire inflator, handheld pump, LED, digital display, LAN battery. There we go. AUNIS. Whoa. Look at that thing. So here we go. Cut right into it. Oh, that was close. That was a close one, guys. Dig it. Here we go. And then, of course, I'll show you a little demo at the end if you guys want to stay tuned. In case this is a long video, there won't be no ads. So there we go. Raise you guys up. Drop down. Go body slam it. There we go. Comes with a nice little travel bag. Put in the back seat. You get a USB cable. Power. And we got these. Inflator, manual. That there we go. Put you in the background. Here we go. We got the manual. Oh, different battery packs. Nice. Kind of like one of those power drills. Oh, that's for your cigarette lighter for your car. Bada boom. Oops. Here we go. That's cool. And here's another one. Wireless. Comes with a nozzle and a pump right there, the needle for basketball pumps. Take it on the road with you to the courts, to soccer fields, football fields. Here we go. Here's that. Pretty simple. Oh, there's the cords. That's extra hose. Goes in here. This must be the charging dock. Because I think this goes like... backwards. Doo-doo-doo. I had it right. No, I had it wrong. What is blocking me? There we go. Boom. Got that in. Make sure that's good. There we go. That's locked in. Heard it click. There's the hose. USB, that's for later. Here's the needle. The needle. Thread the needle. Put that right in there. Somehow should go in. you go. Nice and easy. I'll use this on the bike, but you can use it for car tires in case of emergency flat situation. You never know with these crazy potholes out there. For us in Michigan is pretty bad. But I'll be back in the garage. I'm gonna see if this is. There's lock. There's a lock button. Whoa, there's that. On light up's already charged. Oh, that was loud. That comes with a nice little light. Sweet. Alright, YouTubers, I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we're in the garage. Not going to hook it up to this car, but I am going to hook it up to this bike. And got to turn it on. There you go, it's fully charged. Hopefully you guys can see it. There you go. High, low. This panel light would be better. There we go. So we'll hook it up. There we go. To this. There we go. Don't want to lose this thing. There we go. Yeah, hook it up. Oh, I gotta grab the other one. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, it does come with this tip, the plastic one. You just gotta hook it up. That was for basketballs, footballs, volleyballs, and stuff like that. Hook it up in there. There we go. Then you gotta pull the trigger right down over here where my finger is. Finger on the trigger. Give it a good zap. There you go. And one click. So really cool in case you get struggling at nighttime for your night riding. Got the little backup light. Then it'll tell you the pressure and everything. Man, sorry about the lighting. So definitely check them out. AUNIS on Amazon Prime. You guys have a good weekend. Be safe and see you tomorrow.